Hello everyone, my name is Tommy Son. I am a rising senior at Branham High School. And welcome to this 5-part series where I'll be talking about some of the best online resources for you to use during distance learning as you approach this new school year. In part 1, I'll be going over all the math resources and science, social science, and English in the following parts. To cap everything off, I'll be giving some tips on general productivity and how to organize your academics during distance learning. Our team here at Bruin to Bruin are making more awesome videos. You can find them in our YouTube channel at Bruin to Bruin or find them at our website at bruintobruin@weebly.com, and I'll link them both down in the description. And for the rest of this video, I'll be going over some of the best math resources for you to use. However, I cannot accentuate enough the importance of office hours and tutorial sessions. Spending 10 minutes with your math teachers asking good questions in tutorial beats 2 hours of web surfing on Symbolab, on Desmos, on whatever homework help that I'm going to list for the rest of the video. So make sure to always refer to your teachers first if you run into a roadblock. With that disclaimer in mind, let's transition into all the online math resources, but please keep in mind that some of these resources range across all levels of high school math, and not all of them may pertain to your class. I'll link the table that you see here down in the description, and it will be on our website. You can access these links to the right by clicking on the chain-shaped icon, which I will demonstrate in this video. We organize all the resources by our ratings. These evaluations are based on a number of factors, including their applicability to a wide range of students, quality, and length. So don't be surprised when you see MIT at the bottom of this list. To save your time, I put a few timestamps down in the description. To start, we have Khan Academy. It is the best resource out there for self-learning. It has detailed videos on every math concept from arithmetic to AP Calculus BC. On top of that, it beats out all the other resources here by having extremely thorough practices that are paired with each video. It is very easy to track your progress. If you only use one tool on this page, let it be Khan Academy. Now let's get into the different tools. TI-84 should be your calculator of choice. It will fulfill all of your calculation needs until your high school graduation. You can use it on all of your standardized tests, and it becomes especially useful in calculus. However, it is quite pricey at $120. I'll include a link to an online TI-84 plus CE to the right. In terms of other online calculators, Symbolab is a great way to check your work or to work backwards on some of your problems. It is extremely simple to use, and it covers all the different mathematic functions that you will need. Wolfram Alpha is just another online calculator that is similar to Symbolab. Choosing which one to use is just based on personal preferences. Lastly, Desmos is the best online calculator. It is extremely user-friendly and is much faster than typing the same function on your calculator. It is free to use and good to practice with since you will have math projects on Desmos. Now I will get into the different YouTube channels and online videos. First is Organic Chemistry Tutor. Although it sounds science heavy, this channel actually offers thorough explanations for almost all levels of math. You can find videos on pre-algebra, geometry, trigonometry, pre-calculus, and calculus. It pretty much covers all levels of high school math. The video have practice problems, though they're not as organized and interactive as Khan Academy's. Next is Brian McLogan. He is a math teacher who is completely focused on math. His channel covers all levels of mathematics in high school, from algebra to calculus. He breaks down each topic into very consumable pieces and is definitely an amazing supplement to your school classes and Khan Academy. Nancy Pai is another YouTube channel that is focused on high school level math. She explains a wide range of concepts from arithmetic to integration. She has a very innovative method of displaying her work, which replicates more of a classroom style of teaching and makes her stand out from some of the other YouTubers. Next are the AP Live videos. Because of the special circumstances of the 2020 AP tests, College Board released a series of review videos for all of the AP subjects, which includes Calculus AB, BC, and AP Statistics. They're amazing resources for you to check out and have a heavy emphasis on targeting these specific tests. Now we're getting into some lower ranking channels. First is Eddie Wu. I rank this channel relatively lower than some other resources because his videos have a really high starting point, and you would need an advanced understanding of math to really benefit from his videos. Nevertheless, Eddie's videos are of extremely high quality and offer amazing explanation on topics like integral calculus. Patrick JMT is another amazing YouTuber, but again his videos target higher levels of math. However, he has very thorough explanations for calculus concepts, so if you're starting on calculus AB, he is a YouTuber that you should watch. 3 Blue 1 Brown. This is another YouTube channel that focuses on higher levels of math. You can rely on this channel to explain many different theories in calculus and advanced physics. This is not as applicable to lower divisions of math and not too friendly to underclassmen. Please use Khan Academy for those purposes. Finally, on one of our lowest tiers is MIT Open Course. It is an amazing resource on YouTube for you to explore many different fields. Although it pertains more to higher levels of math, there are some that are applicable and are taught by top-notch professors. Outside of math, you can listen to lectures from a wide range of subjects such as economics, chemistry, and engineering. It is a very useful site for you to get a feel of what college classes look like. The last on our list is The Art of Problem Solving, a math channel that focuses on competition math such as the AMC 10. This is not as relevant to high school math and its curriculum, but you're definitely welcome to check it out for novel ideas and see if you want to pursue an academic career in math. And that concludes all of our math resources. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more similar videos on other subjects and more guidance videos that will teach you how to navigate through distance learning and our following school year. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.